Hey guys, so this is like my first pair of Dr. Martens, and I guess this is an unboxing video. Yeah, so we'll see how it looks like. Yeah, so let's open the box. Yeah, so it's the vegan Flora in size 6.5. Here we go. Da-da-da-da. Huh. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. And it's vegan. Deal with this later. And yeah, that's the other shoe. This is it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. So here we are. Let's just move. Ooh, that's cool. They're pretty big, I think. I'm like a size 6 usually, but I just did a 6.5 just to be sure, you know, it's not too small for me. So yeah, let's try it on and then I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, so here's the shoe. It's big. Like literally, okay, here. Here. This is how big my feet is, like when they're together. I think I got the wrong size. Like my toe is here. I don't know how I feel about this. Like I should have gotten a 5.5, I think. Yeah, I mean they feel comfortable and everything. It's just like it just looks really big, especially when my feet are like small-ish. If you look at it, and like I don't know how people take it off or like put it on, because it's like it's so difficult. Right. I got like I literally just got it off of my feet, and then can you see there's like already a small crease? And I don't know, I should have bought one with like a zip if there had any, but I don't know, they're just so big. I don't know, I don't even think I would give it to my brother, but I don't know if this is his size. But I'm not even sure. I literally got this like probably a month ago and it's just been sitting there, so maybe it's too late to return it. I don't know, I'll just have to check. But yeah, it was way bigger than I thought it would be. I sometimes like wear a size 6 and it's like almost a perfect size, but I also wear a size 5 sometimes, 5.5, and I thought I'd just get a 6.5 just to be sure that I don't have to return it, but it's just too big. Although it's like it felt comfortable, like it was really comfortable, but I think putting on and taking it off was really difficult as well, apart from the size. So I might either return it if I'm still able to, or I don't know, I'll probably just give it to my friend who's a size 6.5 maybe. I don't know, I really wish it fit me better, but we'll see. Or maybe like I'll learn to like it, like maybe I like it after I wear it for a little bit. Well, we'll see. Yeah, but yeah, that's it for today's review. Like, this is my first video doing an unboxing, and I was just like really excited for these shoes because this is my first pair. Also, I got these on sale, so it was only like what, £69 or something from like 170 something. So yeah, it was a good deal. But who knows, yeah, I'll probably like wear them a bit more around the house and then see how I feel about them. But they do look like they make my feet look humongous. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So like, yeah, I just like looked at it and I found out that I ordered this on the 1st of August and it's now the 5th September today. So yeah, I guess I can't refund it anymore, so I'll probably just be either using it, hopefully, like maybe I like it after a few years, or I'll probably just give it to my brother or my friend if it doesn't fit him. So yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.